Hello everyone, welcome back to another Nassau computer production. This time we are taking a look at the Timeplast metal surface filament. This filament is purposed as a media for which metal powders can be applied or adhered to. Timeplast's recommendation is to use an iron-based or ferrous metallic powder, so my experiment here may be a little departure from the status quo, as I'm going to attempt to apply silver powder to my snowflake design. The first thing I'm going to do is clean up the print by attacking the little strings and artifacts with scissors and a damp paper towel. You can effectively use the damp paper towel as you would sandpaper. A few coats or wipes of the paper towel should be enough to clear up some of the imperfections, and once I'm done with the cleanup, I'll place the print into a simple food dehydrator. In doing this, I hope to shrink or maybe even melt some of the finer artifacts back onto the print surface. After it is done drying, it is time to coat the print with our metallic powder. Again, in my case, I'll be using this fine silver powder. Two improvements that I'd make on the next experiment would be firstly to not just smear the print into the powder like I did here. This did not help to make an even coating, and I had to stretch my supply, so to speak, by trying to move powder from the concentrated areas to the places that didn't have enough. Secondly, I would use a finer particle powder. I think what I used here was around 100 nanometers, but something less might do a better job, as my thinking would be that the finer particles would be more easily applied or even fill more spaces in the print. After coating the print with silver powder and leaving it to dry, I noticed that the powder felt loose, even though it was definitely adhered to the surface of the print. In my case, I believe that the texture of the powder just made it seem loose, as when I rubbed it, I couldn't notice any powder fall off, but if it did, it was very fine. I still wasn't happy with the texture or loose look, so I decided to coat the print in a triple thick glazed spray paint, and after a few coats of that, we're left with a smooth and shiny metallic surface using real silver. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.